Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you don't know me already, my name is Isra and this channel is dedicated to beauty, skincare and other shenanigans. So today's video is gonna be I know I always say this, but this one is really special. This project that I'm working on today, I really wanted to do this for more than a year now. Actually, I wanted to do it for my 21st birthday. It's like a photo shoot idea. So doing like a little photo shoot, looking cute and all that. I wanted to do it last year. I reached out to my connections and everything, but I did it too late, so the photographers weren't able to, squeeze me into their schedule, which is fine. Everyone is booked and busy, we're good, I get it. I love taking pictures and I love modeling as well. And I really wanted to just commemorate just like that essence of feeling like a true queen, you know what I mean? And that is the aim today. So as you know, probably that we are going international lockdown as of today. So you may ask, how the hell are you gonna go to like a photographer? Are you gonna break the rules for it? No. So what's actually happening over here is that we're gonna do a DIY home photo shoot. Yes, you heard it right. DIY, do it yourself, sis. So yeah, we're gonna get into that. As you can tell, I've already done my makeup. I'm looking in the mirror, by the way. I've done little cute little cat eyes and all that, accessories, and then I got my bandana, my watch, and I got this cute little outfit. You guys, this is a new top. I got this from ASOS. It's like a Bershka top. This crop cardigan is making my Y2K dreams come true. Like, I love that aesthetic, and I've been meaning to get a few pieces, and now I got it. So what's good? What's good? So yeah, I've got my outfit. I've got a little pencil skirt situation going on too. And oh my god, guys, I DIY'd my shoes so bad. You know those high heels that have the feathers on them? I don't have them. So I thought, it's for you the budget queen, why don't you just make something new up, make it make something new. And I picked my favorite heels, and because they're my favorite heels, I made temporary changes to it because I need it to be black to my next motif, where I can use it to all kinds of colors and everything. A black heel is, I feel like, a staple. You can dress in any color with those heels, and you know what, you are good to go. But it has to be the right kind of heels. It can't be some hookah heels, you know what I mean? It has to be something like that can work with everything, a little bit of everything. So I decided to cut up my pink boa. Not all of it, don't worry, it's still living and thriving, living its juiciest life. And I stuck it on to my trusty heels with some double-sided tape. Tell me this doesn't look cute. I'm waiting. It looks so cute and fabulous, and it suits the top so much, and the eye look as well. So I've got this. For backdrop, I see a lot of people using white sheets, but the thing is, my extra family does not own white sheets. We don't roll with the basic things. We always have color, multicolor, like something like, there is, I swear to God, we've got the curtain range of a lifetime. So I decided, why don't I use curtains? Like, if they're big enough, what does it matter? No one is gonna notice on the pictures. So I got this curtain from the closet, and that's what I'm gonna be using. I just have to figure out how I'm gonna suspend it up behind me. Like, I seen how they did it, but I don't have those kind of equipment. But I'm just gonna have to figure it out by myself, I'm just gonna have to do it. And I'm gonna be using some cute props. Like, my other trusty item of the summer is my sunglasses. I mean, if you haven't seen these glasses rot on me during the summer, then I don't know where you were, sis. I don't know, because I love these glasses. Oh my god, yes, fabulous. I feel like a real bad beach out here. Okay, so this is one of the props. The other props, I wanted to get some flowers just to feel the fantasy and all that, but there weren't any flowers that were actually suitable to the outfit, so I decided to get like white roses. You cannot go wrong with white roses. I've got some other outfits as well planned for the night. Today I'm gonna be, unfortunately for the day shoot, I'm gonna have to work by myself, which is gonna be really hard because I have to somehow set up the lighting. I don't have a ring light. I use my desk light, guys. Desk light, you know how desperate that is. And my tripod is not big, it's like this big, so I'm gonna have to find something to put it on top of. But tonight I might have a little assistant, my little brother. He's gonna help me. So this is the plan for today. I just really wanted to feel like a princess for my birthday. Even though it's national lockdown, like I realized like how quickly the year has gone by. Like last November, that's when all this coronavirus pandemic around started, and now we're here back in November and things are not exactly looking up, unfortunately. But these are my 20s. I don't want to waste my 20s, and that doesn't mean go out and have a spring break party like Florida kids. But what I mean is make sure that you, like, just because you can't go out doesn't mean that your life has to stop. You can still do things that you enjoy. Obviously you know that already because you're probably already doing it, but I'm just saying I really wanted these photo shoots for such a long time, so I really hope it's gonna come out good. I know it's not gonna be a studio quality, but you know what, who cares? I feel like it will still bring a smile to my face. And if you guys interested in watching how I'm gonna throw this together with the resources I have in this house, a cute photo shoot in this house, then stay tuned. I finally set up my room at the lightings. I swear this looks so budget when you see it. I'm telling you, it looks budget. And I also did the backdrop. It's time to show you guys. Let me show you real quick. Okay, so guys, when I tell you that this is richly budget, I'm not kidding. This is my bed. I put a little table on it and I put this light here. 2 lights to light this. So I've got my little shoes there, I've got my little puff. I'm gonna do a sitting positions as well, and I covered that with double-sided duct tape. But you know what, I got bored at the end of it, like I don't need to use both sides, so I just use one of the sides and stick it in there. But that's not gonna be in the picture, it's gonna be like this, you know what I mean? And I also got some props here, roses and my glasses, and I think we are ready to do this thing, you know? Hey guys, we have done the outfit change now. I got my cute little rings. I'm still rocking the watch because it's a staple and that's on period. I got 2 cute little buns out here. This is my outfit. Yeah, with some cute little flares. I got this from ASOS too. The brand is. And yeah, that's the plan for today. Okay, so the next setup, let me show you the setup of this one because this one's going to be a little more intricate, So for now, I have the lighting set up, so don't mind that. There's going to be a lot going on. I'm going to be possibly using this, you know, the thing that was like that chiffon that was on the floor, the material that was on the floor. I might put this on myself for close-ups because it might be a shout. So this shoot, we're not going to be using those lights. Possibly we will be using those lights, but this one we're going to focus on flashlight, because that's another hack that there is. So there's going to be 4 different methods that we're going to be using it for. First of all, a plastic bottle cut in half. I know it might look weird, but when I tested it, it actually looks really cute. So basically you just put it here and that will create a cute little effect on this wall, and we'll take a picture with that. They also said try it with a toilet paper roll. So put the flash through it, and there's going to be a cute little circle there. And then I made this pattern, heart ones, and again put the flash through it, and there's going to be cute little patterns on the wall. Another one that I've seen, I've got my mirror here, my trusty mirror. So what we're going to be doing with this mirror is we're going to put it on a table, and I've seen this thing that people put flash on it, and then they put flash on it and they put water drops on it, and it looks like you're in a pool, girl. You're in a pool, okay? So these are the 4 effects we're going for. I got, again, my white roses out here. That's the one, the cute little one that I used for the previous one. And then I have these. I thought we need some props that I can put in the corner. I feel like these serve as cute little props They have so many colors, and I feel like it would just be a look sitting right there, sitting pretty in the corner right there. So yeah, we will see what happens. But oh my god, guys, I cannot wait to edit these pictures. I cannot stress this enough. And I'm gonna be wearing those shoes. These have become my staple. I go out in these a lot ever since I got them, so I feel like this will look really cool with a flare. May throw in the shades too with it, but I want to give you guys variety, so the shades may or may not play a role in it, but we will see. You will not believe what I had to resort to. I've lost my assistant, so now I have me, myself, and I. That's all I got in the end. Anyways, so for the flash one, I needed someone to hold this, and I have no one, so I had to put it on the ceiling. My assistant might come back, so he can put the flash through here, because the thing is, we have to make sure you have to keep on moving it back and forth to change the size. And I'm gonna be standing there, and hopefully it will be reflected in the right way. So wish me luck. So we have finished this video, this shoot. And so I'll do the outro and tell you guys what are the updates and what have I been able to do and what have I not been able to do. So I wasn't really able to ace the toilet roll one. I wasn't able to ace the mirror one, but the rest of them, I would say they turned out really good. Like, I cannot wait for you guys to see. I cannot stress this enough. It looks so damn good. There were a lot of struggles along the way. I kept losing my assistant, bringing him back because my brother had school and he had to go to sleep, but then he came through and he helped me. So that was really nice. I'm really sorry for how my behind the scenes were like in the portrait mode. Like, I feel like that's so amateur of me. Like, you know what? I had the tripod in my hand, yeah? And I still decided to shoot it in portrait. Like, what was going through my head? Why didn't I not do it like landscape? I will try remembering next time that I should be doing it in landscape. But yeah, I think the pictures came out pretty cute, and as you can tell, the shirt grew on me. I love it. It's a beautiful purchase, and I just can't wait. I can't wait for it all to come out. You will see, you will see. I'll put on maybe a few little snippets of the pictures that I've taken. Actually, my brother has taken over with me. Some of them are self-timer ones, so I had to press the button, run back to my place, and pose for the camera. But yeah, I think it turned out really well. It was really nice doing something. Well, I didn't do the shoot on my birthday. I did it like a day before my birthday. So it was very hectic, let's say that. But my birthday as well was spent really nicely. I had activities lined up for me, and I'm so grateful for all the love that I've been receiving on my birthday. I am really surrounded by amazing people, and just a nice time spending time with people, because obviously we're all locked away right now, so it was really refreshing spending time with people, my family, and then, you know, online I was talking to my boyfriend. He organized these activities. It was wonderful. I had a really beautiful day. But yeah, I would say it was amazing. And then now I have made my dream come true of this photo shoot. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did enjoy it, give it a thumbs up and comment down below if you would want me to do this with another concept if you have in mind, or any other projects that you would like to see me work on. This is gonna be like a lockdown edition, you know, like resources I have at home, what can I work with to make it true and make it as good as I can make it to be. But yeah, I hope you guys really enjoyed. This concludes our video, and I will see you guys. Oh, don't forget to subscribe. But no, seriously, yeah, that's it. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.